I'll guide you through how to earn money from YouTube Shorts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a browser on your PC and go to www.youtube.com. Log in using your Google account. Once you're in, start uploading Shorts videos that are in vertical format with a 9:16 aspect ratio and a duration of 60 seconds or less. Make sure your content is engaging, original, and fits into a specific niche, such as entertainment, education, or quick tips. Upload consistently to grow your audience and increase your chances of going viral. To become eligible for monetization through Shorts, you need to meet two main requirements: have at least 1,000 subscribers and gain 10 million public Shorts views in the past 90 days. Once you reach both, go to YouTube Studio on your PC. From the left-hand menu, click on Monetization. There, you'll see a button that says Apply. Click it to start the process of joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Once accepted, you can officially start earning money from your YouTube Shorts content.